I'm here with Mitch Brazier in beautiful Bundanoon. It's not super sunny today, but you can see Mitch's solar power system is behind us. Mitch, how long have you had your system installed for?
Since February.
February this year?
Yes.
And tell us why you decided to get solar installed.
Well, I originally had, we're a recent import to Bundanoon, and we originally had 24 panels in Turramurra, where we got the lovely 68 cents per kilowatt input tariff. And I built the house specifically so it faced north, and the roof was 22.5 degrees. So, and that's what it did. And then, I don't know, we got other things got in the way, and then one day I woke up and thought, well, I've got all this money on deposit, making no money at all, so why don't I put solar panels up? So I did.
You did? So you actually built the house with solar in mind?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. So that was why it's facing north, and that's why the roof is that angle, because it's the best angle for the
It is
tile.
the best angle, yeah, okay.
And
you installed a 7.2 kilowatt system?
yes.
And I think an 8 kilowatt inverter.
Yes.
You chose SunTech panels,
Yeah.
designed in Australia,
Yep.
made for Australian conditions, and a Fronius inverter,
Yes.
Austrian designed and made.
Yes. Not a Chinese one.
Not a Chinese one. And I think you said that was 8 kilowatts, yes? From memory?
Yes, I think it's 8 kilowatts.
That's what we installed for you.
We've been getting up to 8.6 kilowatts generated from the panels. So
On a 7.2 kilowatt system?
yeah, that's what it comes out. I saw it. I couldn't believe it.
So your system's actually producing more power than what it's rated at.
Yes, I know it is.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, it's great.
So what sort of an impact has that had on your bills?
Well, the first bill we had was the winter bill, which would have been $600 if we hadn't had the panels, and it came out $146.
146?
Yeah, not all that bill actually had panels in them, so it's not the first. So the next bill we'll get will have full use of the panels, and I just looked it up, and we're already $169 in credit.
So you're not going to pay a bill next quarter?
No.
Nice.
Probably not the quarter after that either.
Well, we are coming into summer. We are in summer now.
Yeah.
That's the best generation time. But even so, that's a phenomenal result.
Yeah, so it's good. So that'll pay then for the winter. So we won't have any bills really for 12 months. So that's fine. That's the way I wanted it.
Sweet. So some people say in the Southern Highlands the irradiance isn't as good here. We often have low light days, and some people say that solar is just not worth it. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I think that's rubbish. I mean, the results speak for themselves. I mean, I'm getting basically electricity for free. So isn't that good?
I think that's wonderful.
Yeah, so I think the fact that the light, I've not noticed the bad light here. I mean, we've got no pollution for starters, whereas in Sydney it's like pollution. Doesn't matter whether you've got bushfires, but just ordinary pollution's bad enough. So, no, I just think that's rubbish.
And I guess, I mean, you've chosen really good quality equipment. You've chosen really high quality panels and premium inverter technology, and I know that will also play its part as well.
Yeah. Well, when I'm buying stuff like that, I always buy good quality. There's no point in going for the cheapest, because it bites you in the bum eventually.
It's a bit of a false economy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. And I want something to last, Not that we're going to be living here for the time of the guarantee. Probably won't be here in 10 years' time, but at least we know that for 10 years we're going to have a good system,
Hassle-free.
Yeah, it's going to make me money.
It's going to make you money.
What was the point?
Future-proof.
Yep, absolutely.
Well, I'm thrilled that you've had such a great experience with your system. Long may it continue, I'm sure it will, and thanks for spending some time with us today.
That's all right, no problem at all.